Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Let me know if the sound's better. Made a few adjustments, so hopefully that's better for everybody that has been struggling. At the moment, let's just kick off with the weekly chart on the Dow Jones, and this weekly trend line that I indicated early in the week has been broken at the moment, but obviously it's a weekly trend line, so we want to see a body close below that, and then I would expect sort of a pullback to come and reject it, and then a further fall. On the other side of the coin is we do have some weekly support here as well, and a gap which we're fairly close to, and that is 31,487. So from an 8-hour perspective, still lots of confusion going on. Diversion starting to form here from the move down. We are really well structured if you look at this level down. I don't really want to get rid of my levels at the moment, but if you can see it, let's just put it in and we can delete it. So when I say structured, you can see these tails coming down right onto this trend line. Then the buyers come in and sort of push it back up, and then the sellers sort of get sold off the levels higher up. So trend is down. You're looking to flow with the trend. You're not really looking to be long on this. You're looking to be short, but obviously you want to be short higher up. You don't want to be short down here and get caught out. So you're looking for rejections higher up before you start looking for shorts. And the challenge we have is that it is complete confusion. So you can see this week has been big up, big down, tails to the upside, tails to the downside. We have got a body close sort of below the previous pin bar, which is fairly bearish. But then we've got an inside bar forming on the 3-hour, and that is a potential bullish situation as well. So for me, this is still all over the place. It is big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. No real solid downtrend. It is drifting lower, but it's not a in-your-face downtrend that you can say, right, this is the area I'm getting in to add to my shorts and start winning. For me, this is still all algorithms that are trading. They're trading noise. Investors are sitting quietly on the sideline and waiting, and I suggest that's what we do as well. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Not really interested in getting involved when it is bouncing like this. And if we just move down to 15 minutes, you'll see why. So if we go here, so that is a 0.8% move up. Then we fall 1.7%. Then we rally almost 2%, 1.9%. Then we fall 2%. All of that in a day. You really can't trade that kind of volatility. If you sort of on the, I would probably say the 1 minute or the 2 minute charts, you probably find that you'd be able to trade it. You can see there's a fairly decent entry up there of a rejection. There's another one there, but even here you can see big moves down, big moves up. Only bit of structure you have is right there for a long, and there was a bit of half decent structure early in the morning for a long. But we don't have time for that. Some people do. I don't. I don't have time to sit and watch a 2 minute chart and worry about it. So this is kind of my view. It's stay away from it. If you are trading those smaller time frames, strategy still works there, and granted you'll be making money. But for me, I prefer the hour. I prefer the hour 15 at most, which allow me to get in and out over a few hours rather than a few minutes. It makes my life a little bit easier, so I can get on with my daily life rather than just focusing on charts all the time. So yeah, for me, this is sit on hands, guys. I'm really not keen on this. It's absolutely not worth stress. At the end of the day, you probably make more money on the interest on your money for the day rather than trying to chase what's going on here. So yeah, that's kind of my view. I think this volatility is going to continue. These levels to the upside are the ones you need to pay attention to. So I'm just going to readjust this one to the high of yesterday. If we sort of take out the high of yesterday, which is 32,595, come back and test it, that could give us the opportunity for a build to the upside. To the downside, This is the only area that I can see of any interest. That's 32,315. Reject that area, then I would assume we have an opportunity for another leg down. So don't want to be short down here. Definitely will only be short of structure higher up. And the last 3 days, that has not materialized. So anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I still sit on hands, and we'll wait and see what transpires today. But we're heading into the week as well. Well, sorry, the close of the week. And the big question is whether this is going to be a weekly body close down here, or is it going to be another tail of sorts in this area. And this trend line is important. We can still close above it and give us a massive pin bar rejection on there. There's still 2 days to go in the week, so just keep that in the back of your mind. It's what's been happening for a long time, so it's going to take a lot for it to break. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.